Heyo. It's my brother's birthday today. It's August the 10th. I'm about to open this. Hopefully nobody can really see in here or care to see in here because I'm really not in the mood. But yeah, let's go say happy birthday. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Okay. Alright. You wanna vlog?
No.
Not even for your channel?
No.
Okay. Alright.
I'm not gonna vlog today because I'm gonna vlog tomorrow.
Alright, so, we ended up changing rooms. So it's different, like, the setup is different. So this is what it looks like now. Remember it was like, you gotta go straight up, but now it's like a
Actually, I'll vlog my channel. I'll have it, like, set up for tomorrow. I'll have it set up.
It's pretty easy to use. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You just have to look at the timer on the screen. It'll tell you, like, there's something counting down on the screen.
Yeah.
It tells you when the video will stop.
Look at this shit. Well, yeah, look at that. We used to be all the way over there, like all the way over there. Now we're right here. Shut up.
Get in.
Yeah. I'm getting it on this side.
Why are you getting in the back? That looks weird.
So I like being in the bag. I don't trust shit. Fine, no getting the fun.
It looks like I'm trying to kidnap you, honestly.
You are.
I do not like this shit.
You kidnapping the birthday boy.
Oh, right here.
Look at my feet. We made it. With some house-looking market thing.
The rope. I think the
However, you ugly though.
Your mother.
Your father. This is what you call the definition of Little Miss Precious. Yes, I am taller than her. And that is what you get for wearing some cheap ass flip-flops. I don't believe it.
I got the same ones you got.
Hello, we're here at the superfood town, which is gonna be hell.
We just need to get some stuff. Cause I here want something to drink, some ice cream, things like that.
Yeah, just want some ice cream and some
drink.
drink.
Did you get a basket? You want me to vlog?
Yeah, no, I got it.
Get a basket?
You get a basket. Look at all these ugly cars though. All these 1997 goddamn cars. What is that car? Oh my god. I'm sorry.
This shit is so crazy. Oh, they have a lot of stuff that we can do. They have a snake and animal farm.
Hell no.
Feed the monkeys and stuff.
Oh hell no. Not no monkeys. They be doing
They
the
got a
most.
country kettle.
I need to find me something to drink.
Alright,
So
let's look at this first.
we're not buying much because we don't got that much room in there.
Alright, we could get ice cream. We could get something to drink. We need to get something for dinner tonight. Well, we probably going out for your birthday tonight.
Yeah, we are. So there's no need for dinner.
But we still gonna be here Friday night.
So we'll come out on Friday.
No, we gonna buy all this stuff now, so we ain't gotta come back to the food store. Go ahead.
We'll come. No, you're pushing.
Oh, my bad. Forgot. Almost forgot.
Well, whatever. I'm not here for this. They even on sale.
First of all,
I ain't even on sale. Look at this. So, you're Zara. You already got one at the house.
I don't have no flowers.
Yes, you do.
Say, okay. You said, so I have flowers. And
Yes, you do.
everything. I just said if you said that I had flowers, then I had flowers. Hello.
Plum's my favorite.
What how much is
And you got to shuck the corn.
Wow.
You gotta shuck the corn. I mean, this right here is good corn.
Yeah, but did you have to bake one of these? Okay, let's.
Here, do this one too.
You already know that this corn is like super fresh. Make sure you get me in the shot because when we were passing by, we seen all the corn out there, and it's 5 for $2.49.
It's like, if you do not shuck this corn, not that one, that one. I know Ma told me which one's fresh and which one's not. So,
They're pretty much all fresh because like
not all of them.
they,
Not all of them.
that's true. Not all of them.
Ma taught me that ones that look like this are really fresh, like
Yeah.
super fresh. The watermelons are real. That's some good watermelon.
You want 3?
Uh,
Everybody get one thing of corn?
I would say get 3 more.
6?
You get 2, I get 2, Ma gets 2.
I think this 3 is enough because I don't want to buy all of this food and we might eat out. Then
Yeah,
we'll have to bring all this shit in.
fair enough.
Alright, we can do this 3 pieces of corn. We could do a steak piece. Because you gotta know we're gonna be eating throughout the day anyway. This is just gonna be at night.
Hmm.
You wanna buy some cake while we're here for your birthday? Reasonable price. Can you leave in a cart?
Oh, fuck that cart. Here.
I don't think you should.
I'm not getting a lot. No.
You wanna get an ice cream cake?
No. Let's just go. This cake is too much. It costs too much. We're going out to eat anyway. Let's go.
Oh, this is a chocolate cake.
I don't eat chocolate cakes. How much is that? $3. I mean, I'll
It's
take it.
strawberry. It's up to you. That's what I'm saying. You can choose whatever you want.
Alright, let's go.
Wow.
Yeah, because you know what? Fuck it. This is going to be like our final recording. Because the battery's about to die soon.
Okay.
So guys, we will see you back at the hotel room.
Yep.